In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Alpaca to ChatGPT so you can bring your crypto portfolio, market data, or trading insights directly into your ChatGPT conversations. Once connected, Alpaca becomes an app inside ChatGPT, allowing you to ask natural language questions like, "What's my account balance?" or "Show me today's market movers," and get real data instantly. Let's walk through the setup step by step. Start by opening ChatGPT. You can be in the browser or on the desktop app. Both work the same way for app integrations. Once ChatGPT is open, look toward the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where all your account level tools live, including settings and integrations. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section called Apps and Connectors. This is the central place where you can browse all available ChatGPT integrated apps and connect the ones you want to use. Every supported app for ChatGPT, including Alpaca, will show up in this list. Scroll until you find Alpaca. Click on it to open the connection page. Here, ChatGPT explains what the Alpaca app can do inside the chat, pulling account info, checking positions, reviewing market data, and more. Click Connect or Authorize to link your Alpaca account with ChatGPT. If you're not already logged into Alpaca, you'll be prompted to sign in so ChatGPT can verify your account. Once authorization is complete, the connection is live. Now return to your main chat window. This is where you actually start using Alpaca inside ChatGPT. Simply type a prompt like, "Alpaca, show me my account balance." "Alpaca, list my open positions." "What are the top gainers today?" "Summarize my portfolio performance this week." Because Alpaca is now connected, ChatGPT will access the app automatically and pull real-time information directly into your chat. One thing to keep in mind, Alpaca may require specific permissions depending on whether you want to view data, place trades, or run analysis. If ChatGPT needs additional access, it will prompt you to authorize more features. With the connection active, you now have a smooth workflow where ChatGPT becomes a trading assistant, a portfolio analyzer, and a market research tool, all through natural conversation, and that's it. Open ChatGPT, click your profile icon in the bottom left, go to Settings, then Apps and Connectors, choose Alpaca, authorize the connection, and return to the chat to begin using it.